Hi, it's Lana and Bonnie from Three Birds Renovations, and we're here at Bonnie's finished dream home.
We are.
And we're going to be talking all things roofing and why we love a Monia roof.
For me, tiles are just so versatile. You know, you can go with a concrete, a terracotta, or elemental as I have here. So no matter what your style is, you can create the look you want.
The great thing about tiles is that they're really suitable to Australian conditions. Unlike metal, tiles won't rust or corrode, and terracotta won't fade over time. So if you're near the coastline, tiles are the perfect solution.
Monia's new colour lock technology, C-Lock, keeps your home looking better for longer.
C-Lock is an advanced coating material that provides 8 times better gloss retention than steel.
And the other really cool thing is concrete tiles actually get stronger with age.
And with tiles, the great thing is that if you ever get a cracked one, you don't have to replace the whole roof or whole sheet. It's just one tile that needs fixing. And if you're in a windy area or there are cyclones, tiles actually perform better than sheet metal.
Monia concrete and terracotta tiles, they both have a 50-year performance guarantee.
And with the terracotta tiles, they also come with a 50-year colour guarantee. Monia are backed by CSR, one of Australia's largest building companies.
You know when you choose a Monia roof that you're getting a quality roof that's strong and beautiful. So why not head to the Monia website and get all the facts on roofing?